how you can get a great deal in Hostinger. Now, as we have talked about it earlier in our previous videos, that Hostinger is one of the most efficient website in building your website that uses AI. Now you can use AI to build your website using Hostinger. Now to get a great deal in Hostinger, first let us just open Hostinger and yeah, let's just go to its official site and see its plans. Now right here you will need to just log in first, but let's just go to the pro version and you can see right here the deals. Now to get offers in these deals, you will have to use a coupon, and for that you need to go to this site right here. It's couponcodeinc.com. Now just go to it and yeah, first let it load, and while that goes on, we'll just check this out right here. Now web hosting designed for personals and agencies right here. There are different plans right here: cloud startup, cloud professional, and so much more, guys, as you can see. And after the coupon code in logs in, just go in its search bar and type in Hostinger and let it load and just open it up. Now under Hostinger you will see different uh, you know you will see the different sales going on, and as you can see right here, there is up to 90% off. You can even, there is 78% off on the cloud version. Now you can get 75 24/7 customer service, free domain, free website migration, and so much more. You can just claim this deal and yeah, just choose the plan and just buy the Hostinger from here and yeah, save a great deal. So that is pretty much it, guys. Now thank you for watching. You can even get 3 months free, and yeah, that is all for the video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye, take care.